Welcome back to Travel Cruise Feast. Every Australian cruise season, from October to March, ships sail across the Tasman to New Zealand. And honestly, the highlight for most cruisers is the spectacular Fiordland region on the South Island. Milford Sound, Doubtful Sound, and Dusky Sound. They're every bit as dramatic and beautiful as the brochures make them look. But once you arrive in New Zealand, most cruise ships tend to visit the same ports, and that's where things can get expensive. Shore excursions in New Zealand aren't cheap, especially big-ticket ones like the Hobbiton movie set, which is not only pricey, but also a very long day trip from most ports. So, in this series, we're exploring each New Zealand cruise port and showing you what you can do on your own, exactly like we did, without buying an official excursion. Our first stop, Dunedin. Your ship actually docks in Port Chalmers, a small village of around 1,500 people, about a 30-minute drive from Dunedin itself, which has a population of around 1,034,000 residents. From the port, you can take the paid shuttle bus into town, but if you're traveling as a family, Uber is usually cheaper. Just use your regular Uber app. New Zealand uses the New Zealand dollars, but credit cards and Google Pay work everywhere. Our Uber ride cost about 40 New Zealand dollars. Dunedin calls itself the wildlife capital of New Zealand, and it's known for its dramatic hills, historic buildings, and long scenic harbour. It's actually the oldest city in New Zealand and home to some of the best preserved Victorian and Edwardian architecture in the Southern Hemisphere. Stop number 1, Baldwin Street. The world's steepest street. We started with a free attraction, Baldwin Street. According to Guinness World Records, it's officially the steepest street in the world. It's only about 350 meters long, but with a gradient of 34.8%, it's a serious workout. The view from the top is absolutely worth the climb, and your calves will remind you of it later. Stop number 2. We headed to another free highlight, the Dunedin Botanic Garden. It's the oldest botanic garden in New Zealand and one of only a handful in the world recognized as a 6-star garden of international significance. With streams running through it and beautifully maintained plant collections, it's a peaceful place to spend a few hours. A much-needed lunch break. Even though cruise food on the Diamond Princess is excellent, after 4 sea days, we were craving some Asian flavors. Luckily, Dunedin has plenty of great Asian eateries thanks to New Zealand's strong ties to Asia and its diverse migrant population. We found a Korean restaurant in town, and it absolutely hit the spot. All in all, Dunedin turned out to be an incredibly pleasant and inexpensive DIY port day. 2 great free attractions, easy transport, tasty food, and no need to book a pricey excursion. If you're cruising New Zealand soon, subscribe and stay tuned. More port guides are coming up in this series.